Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen hot questions on integration, and today example of integration for x square is not equal to n pi plus 1, then n belongs to n means this is the set of natural number, then integration x under root 2 times sine in bracket x square minus 1 minus sine 2 in bracket x square minus 1 divided by also 2 sine x square minus 1 plus sine 2 in bracket x square minus 1 dx. Then we have option 4. Yes, okay, first option is correct, or B option is the correct, or C option is correct, or D option is correct. Yes, okay, if you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, and that's the most important is condition for x square is not equal to n pi plus 1. Then solution we can consider here, and we know that the related formula, this is the sine, actually this is the 2 times. Okay, suppose you consider this is the theta, then we know that the sine to theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, yes, then this integration I becomes as x under root, we can write as this is the 2 sine x square minus 1 minus, okay, and this is also considered the theta. Okay, that means sine to theta is equal to, we can write as 2 sine theta into cos theta. That means 2 sine, this is the theta, that means this is x square minus 1 into cos, this is the x square minus 1. Yes, okay, and divided by this we can write as 2 sine x square minus 1 minus, we can write as, sorry, this is the plus sign, and sine x square minus 1 into cos x square minus 1 and dx. Now here we observe this is the 2 times sine x square minus 1 also present, and 2 sine x square minus 1 we can common we get here, then integration we can write as under root 2 times sine x square minus 1 can be taken as common, then in bracket 1 minus, this is the cos term, remaining x square minus 1 bracket complete, and divide also, this is 2 sine x square minus 1, this term can be written as 1 plus cos in bracket x square minus 1 bracket complete and dx. Now here we observe this term can be here cancel. Okay, we know that 1 minus cos, suppose this is considered theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to, we know that this is the 2 sine square theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta is equal to, we know that this is the 2 cos square theta by 2, and this integration I can write here as I is equal to x integration x into this term can be under root, this is 2 sine square, this is x square minus 1 divided by 2, and divided by this is 2 cos square x square minus 1 divided by 2 bracket complete and dx. Here now we observe 2 to get cancel, and we know that sine square divided by cos square, that means this is the tan square, and in get outside the root we can write as integration x into, this is the tan x square minus 1 divided by 2 and dx. And we know that here we can substitute, okay, x square minus 1 divided by 2 can be derivative as their present x. Okay, therefore now we can here put x square minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, suppose t, and we get the integration, this is we can write 2x divided by 2 dx is equal to dt. Therefore x dx is equal to dt. Okay, and now this integration can be written as, yes, okay, this term can be it vanish here, and we get the solution now. Yes, okay, therefore this integration becomes as I is equal to, this is tan and this is the t dt, and we know that the integration of tan t is ln sec t and plus c is constant of integration. And now back put t is equal to, now back put t is equal to, we know that this is x square minus 1 divided by 2, and this integration becomes as ln, this is the sec x square minus 1 divided by 2 bracket complete and plus c is constant of integration, and this is the solution for I. Yes, okay. But now actually this is the D option, but this is not exact solution. Option observe here B. Okay, we know that the condition actually this is x square is equal to x square is not equal to n pi plus 1. Okay, therefore we can adjust. Okay, now this is actually condition. We know that condition x square is equal not equal to n pi plus 1. Therefore we can adjust the 1 by 2 in on both side, and we can write as ln, and this is the we get here sec square x square minus 1 divided by 2 and plus c is constant of integration, and this is actually this is the final solution. Because of the condition x square is not equal to n pi plus 1, therefore get the option B is the correct. Okay, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.